Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. AVERAGEIF is a vital statistical function in Excel. It proves incredibly handy when you have a range of values and you wish to calculate the average of only those numbers that meet specific criteria. To illustrate how the AVERAGEIF function works, let's get started. Consider this table of data, comprising year and value columns. We want to use the AVERAGEIF function to determine the average of values where the corresponding year equals 2022. Let's kick things off by inputting the AVERAGEIF command. As you can see, the AVERAGEIF function has three parameters. The first parameter specifies the range of cells where you want to apply the criteria. In our case, we'll enter the range A2 to A7. This is the group of cells that will be evaluated against the criteria. The second parameter is where we define the criteria. This can be a specific value or a reference to a cell containing a value. In this example, we'll input the value 2022. The AVERAGEIF function will test each value in the range A2 to A7 to check if it matches the year 2022. The third parameter is optional. It represents the range of values to be averaged. If we skip this parameter, the AVERAGEIF function will automatically use the range from the first parameter as the cells to average. In our case, we desire to average the values from column B, so we'll specify the range as B2 to B7. This way, each value in A2 to A7 that matches the year 2022 will be averaged with a corresponding value in B2 to B7. Now that we've configured all parameters, let's execute the command to see our result. You should observe the value 8.2. This result is achieved by averaging the values 6 and 10.4. Other values in the table are disregarded since their year does not match 2022. This illustrates a straightforward example of harnessing Excel's AVERAGEIF function. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.